Hi, this is Handy Doctor. If you have an American Standard VorMax toilet, after you flush, sometimes it doesn't stop running, it doesn't fill the tank either, you waste a lot of water, and the toilet is unusable. Well, let me show you what the problem is and how to fix it. It's super simple. Now, it is not because anything you have done wrong, it is a really bad design defect. Fortunately, I invent a fix. Okay, so obviously you want to pull the cover of the tank off, and the problem here is this metal string. Okay, for some reasons it get caught up and tangled on top of the silicone flapper. Looks like that, and because of that, the flapper could not go all the way down, and of course it leaks water, and the water running constantly, and obviously you don't have water in the tank. Now, it's not easy to replicate this issue, honestly tell you, because it depends on luck or bad luck. It doesn't happen every time, maybe once in 10 times, and it could happen on a brand new toilet. In fact, I put this toilet in just a few months ago. Okay, so how do you fix this? Let's take it out first. So this is supposedly the right position, but like I said, sometimes when you flush, and after you flush, obviously the metal string will drop down, and for some reason, especially with a lot of water flushing out, of course we don't have much water right now, but with a lot of water flushing out, it will get pushed, go under this, and then, well, that problem will be created. The way to do it though is that we're going to use zip tie to zip it around this knot, so you have no way to go on the bottom anymore. So zip tie, I will go to the middle hole here, okay, and just go behind this knot, and don't make it too tight, okay. All you need is that the circle is smaller than the knot, so it doesn't come up, and this is your fix. After you do this, you will realize that it is really difficult for it to go under and create that problem anymore. Not in normal flush anyway. So anyhow, this is the problem and the fix, and obviously you can see the tank is filling water perfectly fine right now. The zip tie, of course, does not affect normal flushings. And hey, American Standard, please design your toilet better. If you like my fix and you want to adopt it, please come back and pay me some money. I deserve quite a bit, honestly tell you. And for everybody else, it is free for you, but I hope you can like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel if this video is helpful for you. Thank you. Bye bye.